Hi guys, Coach Benson here. This is one of my favorite head-to-toe mobility drills with specific benefits to the wrist, the elbow, and the shoulder joint. We're going to take advantage of the Hyperice Sphere Mini and the vibratory technology for two reasons. One, increased blood flow to the periphery due to vibration, and increased proprioception or nervous system activation via communication of the extremities to the brain and the brain motor pathways back down to the hands. So what we're going to do here is we're going to give this a push on to turn on to level 1 or 2. I'm going to get a nice long hip flexor stretch, so I'm nice and deep. My knee's going to move past my toes, so the setup is length through the hip, knee moving beyond the toe to get great dorsiflexion movement pattern, shoulders down, adductor activation by pulling my arm against my leg. Once I'm in that position, the shoulder has to stay. I'm going to flex the wrist as much as I can. I'm going to inhale and begin exhaling. The very end of that is me pushing air out through pursed lips. So one more time, inhale, set everything up, inhale, unflexing the wrist, following with my eyes. I flex my wrist at the top and bring it back down.